Chlorine dioxide is a disinfectant that also heals. It's very interesting that around the world, in every country beside one, Bolivia, it's illegal to use to treat disease. Yet it's perfectly legal to treat water. They treat water, 50% of the public water systems in the United States use it to treat water because they know it kills viruses, bacteria, and fungus. In terms of personal health, as long as you don't say you're treating your disease with it, you can use it legally. You can go out into the outback and clean your water, sterilize your water with it legally. Dentists can use it legally, and so can you. Why is it such a great healing molecule, ClO₂? First of all,
You've just watched the first minutes of this video. To continue, the full version is available on Substack. The link is in the description.